The front fenders on my B7 A4 are scratched and dented. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to take off and replace the entire front fender. Stay tuned. Got a little bit of a push tab here, so push that in and push that out. Pops out. Push this through. Just removing this T25. So next, you got this guy and that guy. They're both T30. That's another T30 in there. And we're gonna have to get that out. Next, there's two screws under this piece here. And I can't get to them. Obviously, I'm at the junkyard. This happened, but yeah, you gotta get those off. And then we're gonna remove this bottom piece. Again, I'm at the junkyard, so can't open the door fully, but now down here, after you get those two bottom pieces off, there's a screw down here, actually. I believe that to be either a T15 or a T20. You gotta get that out next. So next, I can't really get to it, but as you can see, there's a little bit of space here behind this kind of rectangular area right here. And back here, there's 3 screws. There's one here, the other 2 are kind of hidden back there. But in order to get to those, I have to basically take this whole piece off. Underneath, there's gonna be some screws going that way. You just gotta take those off so all of this gets loose. Pull this down, and then there's three bolts under there, which when you take them out, I'll throw a picture on the screen from someone else's video. So it's actually a little wrong. There are a few screws here. And then also the last thing was whatever kind of bolt was through this. I'm not sure because it wasn't on this car, but you gotta take that off too. Then the whole thing should be loose. The only last connection point is down there. The whole fender will come out. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out and you'd like to return the favor, the best way to do so is by subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I make other content on the B7 generation of A4s, so make sure to check out whatever video YouTube is recommending to you on the screen. Cheers.